The aim of this document, this EYLF, is to assist educators in providing young children with those opportunities to maximize their learning and to create a foundation for future success. This document directly links the Council of Australia government's vision, whereby they feel all children should have the best start of life in order to create a better future for themselves, but also for this nation. Let's break down this document into principles, practices, and learning outcomes so that you can also see the power within this document. So, one of the things that I really found interesting was that as part of the national framework, the Early Years Learning Framework supports the objectives and the principles within our laws and national regulations, including the national quality standards. It recognizes children as capable, competent learners who have rights and a sense of agency. And what's really exciting is to see the direction that this new framework is taking, specifically around play-based learning and the intentional role played by both educator and child in order to extend and enrich the learning that's taking place. You're going to see that this framework identifies a shared vision from children's learning, these principles and practices that are going to underpin the learning and the teaching that takes place, as well as the 5 different learning outcomes. Together, all of these elements within this one document will help to inform our practice. It's going to be an amazing tool for both educators and teachers alike.